Are you tired of diets that don't work? Of feeling frustrated by not being able to control your cravings? We have a solution for you. Welcome to the online course on how to use the principles of neuro-linguistic programming to lose weight. A revolutionary approach that attacks the root problem, your mind. You will learn to reprogram your thoughts, change behavior patterns, and establish a healthy bond with food. The result? Absolute control over your eating habits. This course is more than just theory. We provide you with practical tools and exercises that you can apply in your daily life. All this, at the pace you decide. Our NLP experts will guide you step by step on this transformation journey. With their help, you will discover and change the mental programs that prevent you from eating correctly. We will teach you to listen to your body, identify your true needs, and satisfy them in a healthy way. With NLP, eating will become a positive experience. With our course, you will gain health through ideal weight. That means more energy, more self-confidence, and an improved quality of life. With the tools in this course, you will complement the effort you make by sacrificing yourself and reducing food rations, and you will achieve a truly permanent result. You will be able to share your experiences and learn from other people who, like you, are looking for a positive change in their life. Our goal is for you to achieve lasting change. Therefore, this course is more than just a weight loss plan, it is a path to a healthy lifestyle. NLP is a powerful tool. We invite you to discover how it can transform your relationship with food and help you achieve your health goals. Sign up now for our online course on how to use the principles of NLP to lose weight. The first step towards your transformation is just one click away. Remember, this is your moment. Your chance to take control and start living the life you want. Are you ready for the change?